Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you different ways on how to fix higher rent in city skylines too. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first one is about taxes. So consider reducing taxes for residential areas. So this may reduce the city's income, but on the other hand, fans won't have to deal with the consequences of residents who have to move out. And the next is the education. So another major solution to the problem is to improve the education of the citizens. So the higher their level of education is, the better paid jobs they have. So do not delay the construction of schools and universities because this is an investment not only in the income of citizens but also of the whole city. The next is about the unemployment. So if the previous methods did not help, you can check whether unemployment is the reason for the residents' inability to pay rent. So fans should pay attention to whether all the residents in the building have jobs, and if not, they have to create new jobs by building commercial and industrial zones. And then next is to create residential zones of different density. So as for the last tip, you can use residential areas with different types of density. So build a mix of low density and high density zones. So this way residents who do not have enough money for expensive housing will be able to settle in a cheap high density areas. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.